Hello everyone. What can save you from the pandemic? Of course, the only way out is vaccine. Yes, and if you are still sitting in the dilemma whether to get vaccinated or not, please come out of it. Because it's high time that you act and get yourself vaccinated, as it is the only way to cut the chain of COVID-19 infections. Now, talking of the vaccines, Covishield and Covaxin were in competition till a few months ago. But we have another one in the race now, that is Sputnik V. All these three vaccines have been approved by DCGI. Covishield from the Oxford AstraZeneca is developed by Serum Institute of India and Covaxin is developed by Bharat Biotech. Sputnik V has been developed by Russian State Institute Gamaleya National Research Center of Epidemiology and Microbiology. So in this video, we'll get to know the difference among these three vaccines, that is Covishield, Covaxin and Sputnik V. I'll tell you the differences based on their technology, doses, efficacies, storage, effects in different variants of COVID, and lastly, cost and availability. Covishield uses a weakened form of virus called the adenoviral-based vaccine. This weakened coronavirus is injected in the body and builds immunity against it. Now the new vaccine, Sputnik V, also develops on the same technology, but Covaxin is a bit different when it comes to its technology. An inactivated virus is used for the formation of Covaxin. The dead virus is injected in the body to build antibodies against COVID-19. Coming on to the doses. All three are 2-dose vaccines, but Sputnik V steals the show here. How? The 2 doses of Covishield and Covaxin use the same formula for both the jabs. But Sputnik V uses a different formula in the first dose and a different one in the second. Sputnik V claims that using the same version of the vaccine twice has less efficacy than using a different version for the second jab. Also, it says that by doing so, it has lesser reactions or side effects in the body. Covaxin's second dose must be taken after 4 weeks, while Covishield has to be taken at a difference of 8 to 10 weeks. Sputnik V has to be taken at a gap of 21 days. Now the question arises on the efficacies. Which one is more effective? Well, this is an area where Sputnik V heads and shoulders above the rest. Because the Russian vaccine Sputnik V, with an efficacy of 92%, is one of its kind. It claims to be one of the safest and holds the power to protect you against hospitalization and death. No other vaccine in the world has shown such a rate, whereas Covishield has shown the efficacy of 70 to 72% and Covaxin of about 80%. How about storage? All these three vaccines can be stored at the refrigerator level. But again, Sputnik V has something fascinating here as well, which is that the Sputnik vaccine is in the powder form as it is a freeze-dried vaccine. At the time of vaccination, it is hydrated and then injected into the body. Now, because it comes in the powder form, it adds days to the storage and shelf life of Sputnik V, which makes it more stable. Now let's talk about yet another important topic, which is its effect on different variants of COVID. Will they work efficiently enough against different variants like the UK variant or say African variant and all? Well, to answer this question, a thorough study will be needed which will require more time and which we are lacking now. So no green flags has been given to any of the vaccines when it comes to the effect of vaccines on different variants. But we can surely talk about the claims they make. So Sputnik says that their response to UK variant is the best in the world, but it's not the same with the African variant. Not talking of the Covishield, it has helped with lowering the rates of hospitalization and death against UK strain, but again, in case of South African strain, it doesn't work. Unfortunately, there is no much data available in case of Covaxin. According to the best virologists in the country, COVID is going to come with new strains at regular interval over a period of time. To combat that, we will need updated vaccines every time this happens. So you can't wait for the best version to arrive and only then you will get vaccinated. We are under the zone of constant research and development. Lastly, let me tell you about the cost now. In India, Sputnik V is expected to cost around Rs 1000 per dose in the private hospitals. However, a reduction in prices can be expected once the Sputnik V manufacturing begins in India. The native COVID-19 vaccines Covishield and Covaxin are at present cheaper than Sputnik V. Covaxin is being sold at about Rs 250 per dose to the state governments and at Rs 1200 per dose to the private hospitals. AstraZeneca's Covishield is sold at Rs 300 per dose for the state government, while it is sold at Rs 600 per dose for the private hospitals. Now, all this information would be useless to you if the reach to these vaccines is not possible. So let's talk about their availability. Being manufactured in India, Covishield, and being made and produced in India, Covaxin, are easily available now. Sputnik V has a tie-up with 3 manufacturers. One manufacturer is working on around 200 million doses. However, there is a sheer need for some more tie-ups for making the vaccines readily available for the masses. It is being said that Sputnik V will be available everywhere only towards the last months of 2021. My advice and request to you is that just go and grab whatever is available at this very moment. This is one and only solution of minimizing and cutting down the chains of COVID-19. Get yourself vaccinated. Do not wait for something to be in line or something which can take all your problems away at once. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please like and share it. And don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.